All right, here's some bonus footage. I'm not gonna put it in the title or anything, so this is just kind of what I have left over. I started making this little toad. This is actually a toad mold. I haven't seen this one before, so just gonna take some of my leftover resin here, and this will just be a bonus scene. If you want to fast forward, you can. I'm just gonna take the same metallic alcohol ink and fill this little guy up. I've never used this mold, so I don't know what his eye situation is or anything. And when I bought it, it showed a whole bunch of different animals, but it didn't show this one. I'm actually going to be gentle, maybe not over pour it. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. And then I have this Monstera leaf. I think it's a coaster. I don't know. It kind of makes me mad when it's supposed to be a coaster and they only give you one, because it's so hard to match the colors. So unless you're planning on doing slightly different one. Come on, little drip in the stem. Well, there we go. There we go, there we go. Well, I shouldn't. I have a little tiny bit of green left and I just want to overpour. It's a sickness. Oh, that's the cactus. Okay, so there's, sorry, I just did. Okay, so then, as another bonus, I got this 3D like Christmas truck planter. And the only thing that really shows Christmas is there's a wreath on the front. And then, yeah, then there's a Christmas tree that you can put in the back. But I just want to pour it. I want to come back in here and color all of the things. The tires, there's this banner on the side. I want to color the windows and everything like that. But again, I just kind of want to see what I'm working with first. So I'm going to try, I'm going to put the rest of the resin into here, and I'm going to dye it with the metallic blue alcohol ink. And maybe I can marker the outside of it where the windows are, or the tires, chrome the tires or something like that. I don't know yet. Alrighty, I have a feeling that I might be a little shy on this. Which I am. Well, that's not lovely. Oh, that's not lovely. I'm gonna scrape everything out as much as I can. And we have a little bit of red left. That's okay. Red and blue go very well together. We'll just try to swirl it in here and see. I think that'll do it. I think that will do it. Oh, looks like this is not as level as I want it to be, but that's okay. Nice. Nice. Look at that, guys. Okay. I don't think it's going to matter that the red is on the bottom. I'll just swirl it a little, just for fun. I love purple too, so I'm okay with that. Alrighty, we have our 3 little bonus. Red, green, and blue. So that means I will see you soon. Well, hello, welcome back. This for me has actually been more than a week, and I honestly totally forgot all about them. Otherwise I would have unmolded them. So let's hope my molds aren't ruined from letting the sit, because the resin can pull it up, and now that it's been so long, it probably has some overpour that's not that great. Okay, so that would be super pretty if I were to have poured that correctly and not had I wonder if my heat mat area is not level. Not good. Okay. Alrighty. Well, we got that leaf, so we know what that mold looks like now. So this is our toad, and from what I understand, toads have 3 fingers, I think. Is that right, Nat? And 4 for the frog. Well, this guy has 4 on the back and 3 on the front. So I don't know. It looks like a kind of a matte mold, which is disappointing. But oh my gosh, he is fantastic. Oh my goodness, look at him. Pretty sharp here. Definitely pretty sharp, but we just need a marker to get his eyes. I just have a gold marker, but I think that's exactly what he needs. Gold. I thought frogs had their slits horizontal. So this guy's slits. I think it would be cool to get some of this high points on him. Gold. Look at his little freckles. Freckly spots. And a little bit of color back here. Just that matte. Try to do something with that matte. You can kind of antique pieces this way too. Taking a brass marker or gold, just kind of rubbing it in. He's got a funny nose. Let me try to get his mouth. It might be overkill, but I'll just soften the line a little bit. Let's can give him some character and definition. You know what? I can try to come up closer to this camera here. Not that it's too exciting watching me marker up a toad. He's a toad. Toad. I told you so. Okay. What a cutie. What a cutie patootie. My goodness. I like him. I like him with the gold accents. Or copper, or no, it's not copper. I don't know. What is it? It's either gold or bronze. I think it's bronze. Oh, he's wonderful. Look at the baby toad. Look at the toad. So go over anywhere that has a high spot. And then you can see the character it gave him. Almost looks like another like chameleon. So anyway, I got this little guy. Oh, isn't he cute? Okay, so and it looks I can cover up that spot right there just perfectly, and then he's sitting on a that's so wonderful. Sitting on a monster olive. Let me get in here. There's some ridges. Some ridges of this leaf, just so it's not all this green. This part probably doesn't matter too much because I'm going to try to adhere to Froggo there. Just I'm going to kind of wipe this with my finger. I could wipe the whole thing with a baby wipe and get it all off, but I do really like the look of the added gold, the added metallic. Yeah, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Look at how beautiful. That's a ribbit. Croak. Does a toad go croak and a frog go ribbit? I don't know. Somebody will tell me in the comments. Okay, there's our toad. And then here we go with our holiday truck. It is tight in there. Here we go. Let's see what kind of mold we have. What kind of truck we have. Is it purple? Is it blue? Does it have a flat tire? Yes, looks like it has a flat tire. Look at that. Looks like the tire's flat. But I suppose that's how the mold just goes. Okay, so we have some ribbons. It's actually pretty substantial. That's a nice piece. A little tiny. You're supposed to be able to put a. What the heck is that? There is a tree that I did not make. And then it goes in there. And then I suppose you could play around with the marker side of things, which you might not be too happy about. Just well, that doesn't look very good, does it? Okay, I need to clean that guy up because even though I'm messy, I like it to be perfect. and it didn't work very well. Put some alcohol on this guy. Wait. Okay, maybe I wasn't ready to do that. I'm not ready to do all of the painting right now, so I'm just gonna wipe it off. But if I get bored, I'm coming back to paint this along with all of the other things I have to paint. But I really like this. It's a nice, substantial, cute little mold. I like it in the blue. Actually, I had a 1971 Chevy pickup truck, and it was light blue. It kind of actually reminds me of this. But anyway, thank you so much for stopping by the poor house. Remember to always stay sticky. I hope you enjoyed this bonus content. And remember, you always have a home here. Ribbit. Ribbit. Thank you. Subscribe, please.